So since having the bamboo, I've made a very thin single layer vase. This was just done today. Came off. Took a couple of hours, I think. Made a couple of these pot plant holders. They sit in there. This one looks really good because I use colour changing filament. So, and the texture of this is beautiful. Made a couple of these. These are toilet roll holders. So in Thailand we use them. So I made that one and that one. And they come in handy in case you run out of handy towels or something like that. And of course we've made the old game or a little flying disc for the kids at school, and I've got a puzzle on the go at the moment. So, but I have got work tonight, so I just wanted to show you what I've been doing. Remember, I got it on Tuesday night, printed on Tuesday night, started printing Tuesday night, went away for 24 hours on Wednesday, came back on Thursday, and it's done all of this. So, plus more. It's done some little bits and pieces as well, so that's not bad for like, I suppose, a solid 30 hours printing. All up. So yeah, just wanted to keep you informed.